A colorful and flavorful appetizer is a great start for any meal, and mango salad is definitely one of the best choices for starter because it's so vibrant in colors with many different textures, and it's also very fragrant with herbs and bursted with mouth-watering taste of sweet, sour, and savory. Mango salad is one of the very popular starter in most Vietnamese restaurants. But today, as you can see, I'm not at a Vietnamese restaurant. This is just a very normal snack place for teenagers. But they also have a really beautiful mango salad here with fresh mint, very fragrant, and dry seasoned squid. Let me give it a try. Coming up next, I will show you how to make mango salad at home, but not with seasoned dry squid as they have here, but with dry shrimps. It's called gỏi Xoài tôm khô in Vietnamese. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
The ingredients are very simple. You only need 1 green unripe mango, some carrots, fresh Vietnamese mint, also called rau răm, some chilies, roasted peanuts, and dried shrimps, which should be soaked in warm water for about 10 minutes to soften. For mango salad, of course, we don't use ripe mango, but a very green unripe one, because it has a really beautiful crunchy texture and also slightly sour, which makes a beautiful salad. This one is really huge. It weighs over half a kilo or a pound, enough to make 2 plates. Peel and shred with a mantling or a shredder. I prefer the one that's slightly bright yellow on the inside, because the one with white flesh is normally too sour. You can tell that it's unripe from the softness of the flesh. This one is still hard and crunchy, so that's good. Let's just use half of it, about 200 grams, because that's enough to make 1 serving. I also like to add some carrot, but not too much, just about 50 grams. So, you know, the mango is still the star. Next, we're gonna mince up some garlic and heat up some oil in the pan, and then fry the garlic until slightly golden and fragrant. Then drain the dry shrimp and add to the pan together with 1 tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of fish sauce. Lower the heat and keep stirring for a couple of minutes until the shrimp is caramelized. Oh man, that smells amazing. Then set aside to cool. To make the dressing, use equal parts of sugar and fish sauce, and then stir well to dissolve. You can heat it up for about 15 to 30 seconds in a microwave or in a pan, so the sugar can dissolve faster. Now let's assemble the salad. Now in a mixing bowl, you just combine the shredded mango and carrots, and then add the caramelized dry shrimps. Oh, the garlic smells so good. Then add the dressing to the salad and toss well. Leave for about 5 minutes, and you will see that the juice will settle down at the bottom. And just discard the juice that's left over at the bottom, because you know no one wants a soggy salad. Then you're gonna combine the salad with the fresh mint and some chilies and mix in. Transfer to a serving plate and topped with some roasted peanuts. You can serve this with some prawn cracker or rice cracker. Wow, it's so good. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you make it at home, please share a photo on Instagram with hashtag Helen Recipes. I'm very excited every time I see your photos. Please also subscribe and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more daily updates of Vietnamese food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.